This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Kelly Scarborough. Great home. This one won't last long. Great curb appeal. Popular split bedroom floor plan west/formal dining room and nice breakfast area. Lots of updates in last few years to include, roof 2016, quartz countertops and backsplash in kitchen, updated dishwasher, refrigerator, stove, sink and faucet. Major renovation in master bath beautiful. New smart garage door opener. Wonderful gazebo on patio and also a huge new storage shed in backyard. Beautiful laminate flooring is just a few years old. Updates listed on MLS. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Scarborough at 501-982-7